Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to connect a Gohighlevel landing page to Meta ads so you can run Facebook or Instagram ads that drive traffic straight to your funnel and start converting visitors into leads or customers fast. First off, log into your Gohighlevel account and go to Websites and Pages. Copy the URL of your landing page. You'll need this when setting up your ad. Next, head over to Meta Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Choose your objective, like traffic, conversions, or lead generation. Here's a pro tip. Install the Meta Pixel in Gohighlevel. Go to Settings greater than Tracking Scripts and paste your pixel ID. Track events like page view or lead to help Meta optimize your ad. Now, when building your ad, paste your Gohighlevel landing page URL under the Links section. Make sure your ad creative matches your funnel's message for better results. Don't forget to set up a custom audience and conversion tracking. This helps Meta show your ad to the right people. So should you feel stuck linking your funnel to Meta? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, launch your first campaign, and start driving traffic that converts. Let me know in the comments if you've connected GHL to Meta before and what kind of results you're getting. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.